Okay, I've created a booking calendar and now I want to add it into my LinkedIn profile. And I want to put it into as many places on LinkedIn as I can. So let me show you all the places you can put your booking link on LinkedIn once you've created it. So we're going to go over to the profile and click on my profile. This is where we edit on the profile. So the very first place I want to put this, and this is not actually a clickable link, but it is the first place to put it, is up here on your background image. So click on the pencil to edit your cover image, click edit cover image, and we're going to upload a new cover image with change photo with the clickable link. So I'm going to upload a single photo. So I went to Canva and I have edited my existing LinkedIn banner background, and here I've added in my inquiry form. So the very first thing is you create the link for the inquiry form. Now you click download and current page, click download. I'm going to take this back over to LinkedIn. Okay, I'm going to click on upload single photo. Let's find our banner we just created. Here we are. Click open. And there is the inquiry form. So that's the first place we're putting it. We click on Save Changes. LinkedIn doesn't move at speed on these things, by the way. So sometimes you have to do it a couple of times for it to actually stick. I'm going to click on the X. So it hasn't uploaded yet. There we go. There's it now. All right. So the next place I want to add this then is, and I'm going to show you the free options first, and then I'm going to show you the paid options. So click back on your profile. All right, so the second place we're going to put this, and this is also a free option, is click on contact info. So contact info is where people should be able to access your email address. Sometimes if you have it showing, they have your birthday there as well. And then you have your website. So if I click on edit contact info and we scroll down, and it says website, so I've got my YouTube channel up here, but then I have my inquiry form. So website URL, brogan.com/inquiry, and just to add a website, you click on add website and fill this information in, and then you click it. So there's the second place. That one is a clickable link, so people can click on this and it will take them to my inquiry form. So let's close that down. So we've got it up here, not clickable. Over here, it is clickable. The next place we're putting it in is we're going to scroll down to our featured section. If you haven't got a featured section yet, you just click on add section here and you can add in a featured section. So it falls under recommended and you click on add featured. So add featured. If you already have a featured section, you just click on the plus sign. And this is where you add in your link. Click on add link. Then you put in the title, book a call. When you add in the description, it just throws it slightly off kilter. So add your thumbnail and then click save. Okay, and then go back and look at it on the featured section. Scroll down and you can see I've got two because I've just added the second one in. So I'm just going to quickly remove that. So just click in delete to edit or remove it. So you can move these around in whatever order you want. Okay. So we've got the contact info, we've got the book a call in your featured section. The next place you want to put this is in your about summary. So click on your about summary and make sure that's all filled in and write as much as you can about how you help people and what you do. And then at the bottom of that, say if you want people to book an inquiry call with you, learn more, go to our book a call, I'll say book a call here. And put the link in there. Now that is not a clickable link unless people are accessing it on their iPhone. So now we have another place that your book a call is in. All right, so here we are, louisebrogan.com inquiry. The next place we're going, and yes, there are more, is in your experience section. Again, so click on the, if you haven't got one in here ready, click on the plus sign. So what is your job title? Consultant. Organization is Louise Brogan Limited. There we go. I don't need a location type, employment type. I currently work here. Start in month, yes. And under here, add skills, I'm going to click on LinkedIn marketing, add skills, personal branding, and consultancy. Okay. Then this is the bit where we're putting in our clickable links. So add media, projects, presentations. Again, look, add a link. So let's add a link to book a call with us. Click add, book a call, and then add your thumbnail. Again, you obviously need these things set up, and click save. Okay, tell us about your work highlights. Okay, next. I am not updating my profile. Keep it as it is. Click save. It's a slightly new variation there actually. And then here we go, consultant advice. There is book a call. So there's another place to add it. So we now have got for free our headline image, our contact info, our about section, our featured section, and our experience section. So all of those places you can add in ways for people to book a call with you. Then we have the premium option, and that is this button here, and that says book an appointment. So if I click on the edit button for my introductory card and scroll down, we have got the custom button here, edit custom button, and in there, yet again, we have a scheduling link, and it's the same inquiry, and we click done, and that will display not just on my introductory card, but it will also display on all the posts that I write up here at the top of my profile. So those are all the different places you can add to book a call with you on your LinkedIn profile. Time to get to work and make sure they are all up to date. Good luck.